Good morning, children. Welcome to Academia Ambala. Today we are going to understand the concept of addition of money. So let's start with the addition of money without regrouping. Our question is, add rupees 38 and 25 paise and rupees 41 and 3 paise. Let's start solution. Write the amount with points one below the other and then add the numbers. Dear children, you already know that two digits after the point represent paise. So first of all, we start adding from the right side. That is paise to paise and then rupees to rupees. Now add 25 plus 3. We get 28 paise. Now add rupees 38 and rupees 41. We get rupees 79. Therefore, sum is equal to rupees 79 and 28 paise. Now let's solve addition with regrouping or with carryover. Our question is, add rupees 32 and 33 paise and rupees 41 and 85 paise. Let's start solution. First of all, we will write the symbol of rupees and paise on the top in the columns, leaving some space between them. Now arrange the digits below them. 32 rupees, 33 paise plus 41 rupees, 85 paise. Now add paise first. 33 plus 85 paise, we get 118 paise. 118 paise can be written as 100 paise plus 18 paise. Children, we know 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So, 1 will be carried over to the column of rupees. Now add rupee 1 plus rupees 32 plus rupees 41. We get rupees 74. Therefore, sum is equal to rupees 74 and 18 paise. Let us read, understand and solve this statement sum. Rajiv bought a toy for rupees 10 and 25 paise and a pair of shoes for rupees 79 and 90 paise. How much did he spend? Let us start solution. We will write the first statement. Cost of a toy is equal to rupees 10 and 25 paise. Cost of a pair of shoes is equal to rupees 79 and 90 paise. What is the total cost of these two things he bought? Total cost is equal to, again we will start from the right side, that is we will add paise to paise. 25 plus 90 is equal to 115 paise. 115 paise can be written as 100 paise plus 15 paise. Children, again we know 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So 1 will be carried over to the column of rupees. Now add rupee 1 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 79. We get rupees 90. Therefore, Rajiv spent rupees 90 and 15 paise to buy a toy and a pair of shoes. Dear children, hope you understood the concept of addition of rupees and paise. Do practice at home. Stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.